Remember back last fall, I was telling everybody that I was trying to find a alternative to the Z-Man mushroom heads, where there was like, they're $6, $7 for 5 of them. Half head jig heads. See here? They work real well. It's got a thicker gauged hook for that Z-Man elastic to thread up on there. I recommend buying these. There's 7 of them for $4. Fish this time. Okay guys, y'all already know we'd come right back. We had some adult things to take care of today. A couple of appointments. Some things that we can't put off, but it's all good. Yeah, I'm gonna spend a little bit of time at these ponds. I'm really not looking to catch a big bass. I'll catch one if I can, and I'm gonna be fishing for them. But what I'm down here to find out is what exactly is in all 3 of them. I'll find out. But we got, how long, honey? About 3 hours?
3 hours.
Got about 3 hours to fish and see what we can't get done. What do you think's gonna happen, honey?
I hope you catch one.
Okay. Guys, we'll holler at you when I get everything straightened out here. Yeah, everybody that makes bait has got the best bait.
Oh, that looks good.
It does look good, and I've had these Guggen baits for over a year.
And you've not used them.
And I just ain't used them. Babe, I won't commit to using just anything of anybody's. I commit to what I'm catching fish on,
You commit to what you know.
I commit to what I'm catching fish on. It don't matter what name's on the pack.
Well, it doesn't, but I mean, I'm gonna try it.
You're not going to see me do a bunch of bait reviews and all this one, that, and then this, but I'm going to tell you one thing I do know. If it's got Z-Man wrote on it, you're going to catch fish with it. I'd bet my power bill on that. I'm going to give you a courtesy pitch right here. Pitch one over in there, and boy, it looks good. Okay, guys, I'm going to start out with this chatterbait. That landed just on the outside edge of the grass line. There, men are jumping out of the water. You see that? Huh? A lot of times they'll think your plug is a bass. Okay. You need to order 2 chest harnesses tonight. Okay? Well, within the next week you'll have your own camera. Guys, I'm gonna strap her up with her own camera. There's a lot of people running around down here, man. Yeah, we gotta get up here in this upper end. Huh? Yeah, I got it. Go on. Had to walk back down here 150 yards and get that drink. She blamed it on me, but she's the one that left it. We won't tell her that though. anything. Wow, wow. Hey guys, I'm gonna try to catch a bluegill out of here. That's something. That's the only fish I ain't never caught out of this pond is a bluegill. I might have too much bait on there. Let me take some of this off. There we go. Here we go, guys. There we go. Hear me? I found these bluegills. Beautiful little fish, fellas. Pretty bluegill. Pretty bluegill. See a fish jump? Come up here. Is that better?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. Way better. Thank you.
There we go. There's a little bass this time. I think that's the smallest largemouth I've ever caught. That's good. Gone. She pop. Fix your britches. You ain't even up on my back, buddy. God almighty. Oh my God, there's two. Let's go, there's some more in the low pond. Caught two little ones and I was gonna catch something before I left here. But the whole point of relationship goals, guys, it don't always mean you gotta catch fish. And it ain't always about catching fish. It's about me and her spending time together. On levels, maybe we wouldn't have got to spend time together if we wasn't out here in the outdoors. Taking those ladies fishing, boys. It's good for everybody.